Welcome to Split Room Debate, Instructional Strategies, PIDP 3250. Split Room Debate is a single session activity in which students participate in a debate to acquire deeper knowledge and understanding of the topic. This technique is collaborative and student oriented, promoting critical thinking with the analysis of key elements. This method of collaboration allows students to choose sides and move from one side to another as opinions are voiced and individual understanding deepens. This presentation will demonstrate the structure in organizing a split room debate. For this strategy, the instructor chooses a topic that is relevant to the course goal. The topic has to be controversial and provides two identifiable and opposing sides that are appropriate to debate. The instructor gives clear one-sentence statements that would offer students flexibility in building arguments. To address this, the instructor would provide all relevant info through lectures, assigned readings, or discussions before the debate. Students are also given research criteria on the topic of the debate. Instructor would identify appropriate ground rules. Some examples for ground rules could be one argument at a time limit for each argument, any specific roles like a timekeeper or a coordinator. In this step, the instructor would explain predetermined ground rules, allow time for questions, determine dividing line in the room, identify pro and con sides of the debate. Here, the instructor would allow thinking time for students to choose sides to support individual propositions. Here, the debate starts with the pro side going first and continues as students from both sides present their views and arguments. Debate continues. When no new arguments are presented, or if most students have moved to one side of the room, the instructor announces the end of session. Additionally, the instructor can then coordinate a class discussion to summarize important issues and points discussed in the debate, provide opportunity for students to discuss their changes in opinions, if any. Split room debate can also be implemented online, in which the instructor prepares a rationale, provides proposal, and creates a forum. Students use this online discussion forum to post their views for pro and con arguments alternatively. After the preset deadline of the forum, students summarize and synthesize the debate and conclude with personal opinions. There can be different variations and extensions for split room debate depending on the course goals and outcomes and student dynamics. Some of them could be: instead of whole class, students can work in pairs presenting pro and con views to each other. Depending on the topic, the instructor can set a three-way debate. For both the variations, there can be a reflective writing as a follow-up, describing issues that were clarified or confirmed, and any new surprises, new information, or any changes in opinions. Some observations and advice for split room debate. Students should have acquired reasonable knowledge on the topic. Consider an opinion poll before the debate to address any concerns ahead of time. Topic chosen should have clear pro and con views and should be engaging, more so if the topic addresses issues that are contemporary and connected to students' lives. Clarify purpose of the activity, that is to explore in-depth and complex issues. Create and maintain safe learning environment reflecting teaching outcomes and goals. Many instructional strategies would have positives and negatives. This presentation on split room debate addresses some of them here. Pros. Split room debate promotes logical and critical thinking, developing communication proficiency. It is a quick technique to expose focused, in-depth analysis of issues. The technique encourages arguments that may be in opposition to students' own views and may in turn challenge their existing opinions and assumptions. It also builds appreciation for diversity and develops tolerance for other viewpoints. Cons. Split room debate is restrictive with topics as it can only be used with topics that have clear opposing views. Some students may not feel comfortable and may choose sides that they perceive as popular or politically correct. Students may not feel safe arguing a side that is in opposition to their views or the side that is generally unpopular. However, with careful organization, students can enjoy arguing variety of viewpoints.